Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if the Windows snipping tool shortcut is not working properly on your Windows device. So I imagine this could definitely be a frustrating issue. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing we're going to do is right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Underneath apps, if you see Windows Explorer in here, you want to go ahead and right click on it and select restart. Give it a moment here. And then once it's restarted, attempt to open up the snipping tool once again, and then hopefully that should have been able to resolve the problem. Another thing you can go ahead and try here would be to go ahead and locate the Action Center icon down in your system tray. It looks like it's just taking a moment to load up here after we reset the Windows Explorer process. So it should come across like a little chat icon at the bottom right corner of the taskbar. Go ahead and right click on that and then select Focus Assist and then make sure it is turned to alarms only. So first check and make sure it's turned off and then check and see if the snipping tool is working. If it's not working, then try changing it to alarms only. And then hopefully again that would have been able to resolve the problem. So just want to give you guys a couple different options here to work with. One further thing you can try here too would be to open up the start menu, select the setting gear icon on the left side. We hover over it, it says settings, so go ahead and left click on that. Select the system tile and then select notifications and actions on the left panel. And then on the right side you want to go ahead and scroll down where it says get notifications from these senders. Make sure if you see snip and sketch or the snipping tool or any sort of application here, you want to make sure it's turned to the on position. And if you click the back arrow here and then you select the privacy tile, so you might have to scroll down, select privacy. On the left side, scroll down underneath app permissions, scroll down to background apps and go ahead and left click on that. Again, if you see snip and sketch in here, make sure that's turned on, as well as any snipping tool application as well. So like I said, pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.